so we're back at the restaurant slash lobby. You pick up the snorkel gear. One of the things about this resort, Kathalee, they give you free life vests and masks and fins for snorkeling. There's the little green Suzuki that picked us up at the pier. And I'm headed to the room. So we're gonna go up the hill, right? Way up the hill, 300, 400 meters. Oh no, hey, what's this? Welcome. A little bum gun to clean your feet. Come up the stairs here. And what do we got? Little bench, little sitting area to put on your shoes and take off your shoes. Okay, I'll take off my shoes. Oh, hello, little Thai girl. How are you? And look, the room comes with a little Thai girl who takes your shoes off for you. Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you. Cup gonna cop. All right, let's go inside, shall we? She said ba. Ba means to go.
I'm not shower.
You're not shower? So you're going to be stinky? Okay. So here's the queen size bed. Nice little decorations. You put the key card in over there. That gives you the power. The power goes off when you're not in the room. And aircon, of course, thank God. A cool little settee, a little sitting area so the Thai princess can lounge. Technology area, you got your TV, which we haven't used since we've been here, which is cool. It's got the Thai TV, the little box with the blue light, that's Thai TV. Remote, but got my stuff plugged in, and then more, just tons of counter space. Big fridge, a much taller fridge than you normally get in a hotel. A desk area where she does her makeup in the morning, she's happy about that. Night tables, which the first room didn't have. I actually wound up charging my phone on top of a lamp that was 4 or 5 times the size of that one. It was a floor lamp, but it looked exactly like that. There was no table, which was weird. And then the safe, free robes, wardrobe. The toilets were like upgraded models at one point, 10 years ago. Then the seats broke because, you see the smaller modern seat on the older, wider base. So obviously when the seats broke, they just got what's available now. The same thing in the last room, the one up the hill. And bigger shower area, bigger area outside the toilet in this room. So how did we get so lucky? How did we get this great, oh, look at you in the swimsuit. I can't believe. How did we get this room? Well, when I showed up, my knee was bleeding from scraping on the boat. And my feet had blood blisters on them, just from getting here and being on the island and all that good stuff. So with bloody feet and a bloody knee, they took pity on me, and the lady came and told my girlfriend, we're going to try to get you another room down the hill, not up the hill, because like I said, that walk the first day, I wouldn't say it damn near killed me, but I was pretty exhausted by the time I hit the top of the hill. And the next day we're sitting on the beach, and she's like, okay, yeah, we got that room. The lady moved out. You can move in. I said, go check it out. Make sure you like it better than the one we're in now. Make sure it's the same level or better. And this was the room. So obviously when she told me to come to the room, she was very happy to be right on the beach. Room number 4. Right there's the beach right there. This is called the beach, sea beach premium or sea beach deluxe or something like that. When you book, look for sea beach. This is sea beach 4, this room. So once again, right across from the restaurant. You can't get more down the hill than this. I appreciate Norman and his wife, who are the managers here, upgrading us. My feet healed within a day. We still got to stay in the room. We didn't get kicked out. Cool story. We were sitting on the beach, and my girlfriend said, hey, that lady over there is a famous Thai singer. And I had no idea. I'm not up on all the famous Thai singers, but she recognized her immediately. And the staff came out, and they were making a big fuss over this lady and putting chairs out on the beach for this lady and everything, giving her the VIP treatment. Well, she was waiting until she could get checked out. She left that day, which was very unusual because it was the day before Songkran, the Thai New Year. Well, we come in here, right, in the room that, because of my wounds, right, because I was bleeding, we get the upgraded room for free. Our room up top normally sells for 3,000 baht. Right now, because it's Thai New Year, Songkran is going for 4,000 baht a night. This room goes for 5,000 baht a night. So this was the room that the lady was in. That she's the one who else would be checking out in the middle of Songkran. She wound up going to a newer, nicer resort, whatever. We're fine with this one. It's a great location. It's a great beach. They're super nice people. So it's all good. But yeah, so you can imagine my girlfriend was pretty happy to be staying in the same room that this celebrity singer, famous Thai lady, I'll put a picture of her at the end of the video, standing next to my girlfriend. I took a picture of them posing together. Anyway, that's the story. Bleed a little, get a free deluxe room upgrade.